Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on OG Fan Token. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern, and we will also watch some significant support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of OG Fan token that I shared with my members on the Patreon on 20th of July. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardly move that OG Fan formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, before this, OG Fan also formed another harmonic move, and that was also a bullish guardly move. First, let me to show you the previous move, and that I shared in the month of March. And you can see it was our buying zone was from $3.95 and goes to $3.68, and our sell targets were from $4.33 and goes to $4.73. Now I've played this chart, and you can see the price line was moving at that time at $3.87, and it rallied here up to $4.52. And this is the recent trade setup that I shared with my members, and that was another harmonic bullish reversal guardly move. And by the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and our buying zone was starting from 1652 and goes to 0.0001552 bitcoins, and our sell targets were from 1793 and goes to 1941. And you can see that the price line, after visiting this buying zone, rallied very well up to 1903, and right now it is still moving here above this potential reversal zone of this guardly. Now if we take a look at the OG Fan with US dollar pair on the weekly time frame, then right now OG Fan is trying to break a very strong resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that it was entered the pattern here back in January 2021 and not able to break out this resistance or break down the support. And you can see that we have several touch points at the support, like here in the month of January 2021, June 2021, and in the month of Feb 2022 as well. And recently we had a fake out in the month of May 2022 and recovered very soon. And right now you can see that we have reached the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see we had a move more than 240% move, and right now it is still struggling to break out this resistance. Now we have here a very strong support at $2.45. Here it has been breaking as a support, here as a support, and here as a support. And our next resistance will be the price of resistance will be at $6. That has been working as a strong support and resistance in the previous history, like here as a resistance, here as a resistance, here as a resistance, resistance. And right now you can see that we have two more rejections but could not break it out. And this can be our final resistance and our final target as well, because we have so many touch points here. That is $11.65. So I'm expecting as soon as we will break out this resistance of the falling wedge, then soon we can also break out the next resistance and hit this sell target of the falling wedge pattern as well. That is at $11.65. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.